when the sun goes down, it can get chilly. Oh, and see, we also put feathers around our nest to keep our eggs nice and warm. Ooh, that looks so cozy. We should do this for our nest at home. So it turns out that your feathers are good for keeping you warm. Yep, your hypothesis was right, buddy. But you know, most of all, I like how my feathers look. I love to show them off. Yeah, I wish I could do that. Well, maybe you can. Welcome, everybody, to the first ever Velociraptor Valley Fashion Show!
A fashion show? What's that?
It's like a show where we'll show stuff off and have fun.
Oh, that sounds good.
And now, from Velociraptor Valley, here's Valerie Velociraptor! Valerie's wearing her winter feathers, fluffy, warm, and ready for those cold desert nights, like tonight.
Ooh, well, they are like.
And now, dinosaurs and pterosaurs, please welcome